Well, hi everyone. What are the different types of telescopes and what are their uses? The first one that we see here is what's called a refractor telescope, and what it does is it has a lens up front and then generally some others in the back out to the focus tube. And as a result, you look all the way through the telescope and the image is focused on the back by moving this draw tube in and out. These generally have rather short focal lengths. They're very nice for what we call wide field views of large objects in space, like the Andromeda Galaxy. The next type is something called a Ritchey-Chrétien telescope, and it's got a little different optical design. Light comes in the front of the Ritchey-Chrétien and it bounces off a mirror in the back. From there, it comes up to a secondary mirror that's mounted in the front, and then through a hole in the primary mirror out to another draw tube, and the focusing is done right here. That's very similar to this one, which is called a Schmidt-Cassegrain telescope. So once again, the light comes in the front, and it goes to a mirror in the back called the primary mirror, and then it bounces up to the secondary mirror, and you can actually see the secondary mirror right here. And then it's bounced back through a hole in the primary mirror to the eyepiece. Now this is focused by moving the primary mirror back and forth. You have the draw tube on the refractor, you have a draw tube on the Ritchey-Chrétien, and you move the entire mirror back and forth to focus the Schmidt-Cassegrain. Now, this has a focal length of about 550 millimeters. This 8-inch Ritchey-Chrétien is 1620, so there's a lot more magnification. And the Schmidt-Cassegrain telescope is 2500 millimeters. The refractor looks at a wide field. The Ritchey-Chrétien and the Schmidt-Cassegrain zoom in on smaller objects like nebula and such. So hopefully that helped you out a little bit. Take care, guys.